Hey guys, Rod here with Rod of All Trades. Say, anybody that has the JL Audio TwK-88 DSP in their car, and sometimes maybe seems like you can't switch presets, like they're all the same, or maybe one of the presets bypasses and then lets all the sound through from your head unit unfiltered, but then goes back to like the first preset and never goes to any other presets. I discovered kind of a fix for that. And basically what you want to do right here is the preset toggle button. So when you push that, it should change the preset color, as you can see there. And if you push it again and again, again, I've got these assigned to do different things based on music, or if I've got a passenger in the car and want to show them what it's like to listen to a digitally time-aligned system. But once in a blue moon I'll get this really weird situation where it won't change presets really, or you'll be stuck with the very first preset in the order of all of your presets, the first one in the sequence. And so basically what you'll do is you'll find something kind of small, could be a ballpoint pen, or I've got this kind of a center punch here. You just push and hold that preset toggle for about 15, maybe 20 seconds at the most, and then the two lights above will start to flash. And that's when you know that you've pretty much reset the unit to factory. And what I would also do is, after that, you'll want to disconnect your power connector on the side, basically reboot the unit, and then connect it to your laptop and just reflash it with your saved tune or project. But yeah, should get you back up and running. I'm not sure why these things do this, but it's very, very rare. So anyway, hope that helps. More details on this system for the 10th gen Honda Civic to come. Thanks guys. Catch you later.